South Haven. Let me tell you, it is pretty bad here. Worse here than it is in Breedsville, man. Hey, I'm just trying to get some things cleaned up at one of the houses we're working on. And man, that snow just keeps coming. And that wind is getting pretty bad too. I forgot to stand my wipers up. Shit. Man. It's yeah, snow's kind of blowing under the garage door as well. It's getting crazy. Some people are saying this is supposed to let up by tomorrow morning, but then, I've had other people say that it's going to keep going, which I hope is not the case, I would like to try and get some shopping done tomorrow before Christmas, because tomorrow's Christmas Eve. But I guess we'll see what tomorrow brings. You guys see this? Man. That is insane.